it's Manda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are setting up my Frankenplanner for July. So excited, so excited. Finally get to use my Starcrossed planners. Yay! Yeah, I just got back from the vet with the dog and dropped 200 bucks on heartworm test and heartworm medication. That dog's expensive. So yeah, I bought these blue discs when I bought the Starcrossed, and it's just not the right color. So I have these like circular ones from, I think it was the Santa type, one of them. So I think these would be a better blue. This is just too royal blue. So yeah, we'll hold on to those for another time. This is the like navy blue hardcover. It's like hard. So yeah, we're gonna start with that as the base. So Doggo is now upset with me because he had to get blood drawn for the test, which is like, they make them take these blood tests. Like, he's never had heartworms. I've had him since he was 4 months old. He's never had heartworms. He's always been on heartworm anti-heartworm medication, whatever. Like, he's always going to be negative. Like, if he's not, then that's a failure of the drugs, and yeah. But anyway, so yeah, I always find that funny. I'm gonna do it this way so that the happy planner bit is on the inside. I mean, it's the same on each side, so it shouldn't matter, but yeah. So let's get started with pulling out the front matter. Here's the inbox divider. And since I'm switching the base, it's going to be a little bit different. So here's my little, it's like a block of stencils. I got it off Etsy, can't remember where. Yeah, my goals, which I need to be better at filling out. So yeah, we're gonna try to do a better job. It's one of my biggest things for the next 6 months is to do a better job. I got my cleaning checklist that I laminated. I got my Marie Kondo. This one's not laminated. I should print it out and then laminate it. I've got a notes thing, and then I've got I think I'm just gonna get rid of this. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of that. Okay, so we got the personal. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm switching to this one, this is a 18 month. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this front matter for the 2026, and I'm just gonna take out, I'm gonna keep this July in here. Let's say July, August, September. Yay. I achieved a goal. Yay. On my watch somehow. I don't even know what it was. Okay. So December and then January. I think I'm just going to leave this page in here because I don't think I'm actually going to use this layout. So I want to keep all the 2026 things together in here. we'll be good. And we can put that one to the side. So we have this to put together with my catch-all. All right, so we want to put in the front matter for this. And then, since this is all of June, we're gonna grab my pack of this. So let's put all of this over here for now. Okay, so we got January, February, March, April, June, July. So we're gonna put June in here. We're gonna grab all of this out of here. We're gonna leave that there for now. Let's grab all through here. All this is gonna go in here, and then I need this July. Okay. We're good, okay, for there. So we're gonna put this here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this checklist stencil that I use as a kind of as a bookmarker, and sometimes I actually use the stencil. I'll put that to the side for a second. We're gonna grab July front matter from this. Don't know if I want to use this monthly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take all of this out of here. We're going to hold on to this monthly. We're just gonna, so I think I just am gonna do this number, maybe. We'll come back to it when I decide to do the monthly. So that's going to be a thought. So we're just going to put this in here like that. We're going to put this here. How do we have? July through, I'm just seeing what, how many weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is saying July is 5 weeks. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, July is 5 weeks this month. So I'm going to take the July tasks page. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to use it for chores and things in this area. Or should I put it in the back? We'll see. We'll see where it's going to move around. So got the notes page and this page, and we're going to put that in the back. Then we're gonna count out to 5 weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extra page going in that stack. So this will glue down to that. So here's 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then 5 weeks. And then we'll glue this one to this one. So that's that. That's catch-all. So do I want to do this number? Uh-oh, this one's torn. Oh, nose. One nose. We'll fix it. We'll fix it in post. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one in. And then August will be here. So we'll tape that one down as well. I'm gonna save these in case I wanna play later with these. This is the rest of the year. And I'll go and organize this, all this off camera. Let's stick this in here. Imagine trying to fit all of that on regular size discs. Okay, so that is that one. Next, we're gonna pull out my health. This planner is not changing much, except for I am adding sheets from here. So we're just gonna grab the front matter off of this one. So same thing. This is also an undated one. So I like how I did the June. I think one of the big things is I really need to get onto my fitness. So we're gonna pull this one out. I was trying. We got June. So you can see not a very good job staying on track. So we're gonna put this one here. So that's the July currently. Pull this one here, stick it in there. Oh, you know what I need to do? Did I want to put a cover in there? Or no? I just got the dashboard, so it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay. Let's put June in here. May. This is June. Need to grab the stickers off of here. Need the July ones off. June. This is July. We're gonna do June. This is gonna be. This is what the June ended up looking like. Boop. So. Goal is to, oh, I like this one. Why couldn't they have all been like more neutral like that one? Anywho, all right, so we're gonna put this sticker on here. July. And July, try to center it as best as we can. All right, so there's the monthly. And then we need 5 weeks of this again. 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe that's all I needed to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that in there. I'm going to stick this extra sheet in the back, which is, I have been just putting it in the catch-all, but we're going to start sticking this in the back because that catch-all is getting very full. Okay, and then I'm going to put this in the front. It's so cute. Don't really need that. So I'm gonna just grab the July out of here. I do like that they don't have like the year on there. I'm gonna put this up front for now, like in the middle. I'm gonna put it first here. So what I'm going to be using this section for, this part is for workout and meal planning. This is not only to help me stay on my, my wellness goals, but also on my budget for food. So yeah, we're going to put that there. We'll see how that goes. If it doesn't work out there, I'm going to keep it, I might keep it in here and use this from home, so we'll see. This is only a 12-month, but it's so pretty. I think what I'm going to do is probably reuse these dividers later. So January, February, March, June. Yeah, if I did it, yeah, we'll see what happens with this one, but that's how that's going to go for now. Now to put in social media. Again, just transferring the front matter over. Okay, yeah, did that right. We're gonna pull this June off. Put July here. Notice how well I'm using all my planners. Woo. Goals are to do better. Goals are to do better. All right, so we're gonna do this one here. Previously I've been taking the checklist here from the monthly and putting it there. I've left it in the monthly. I get an extra sheet like this out of my budget planner, so I'm going to use that one for this thing. So this, essentially what this is it's just going to be a running list of all the videos I need to do and when I did it. It's basically a dashboard, a pre-dashboard for the dashboard. All right, so you're going to pull July out now. Stick it in here. One of the things I've been wanting to, or at least thinking about doing, so this is going to just be, this section is just extra generally, if I wasn't using the sterling ink, this would be my work area. But yeah, right now it's just extra pages. Like for these weekly, I like to use these for like weekly brain dumps, like for the next week when I'm on the go. So I don't put it in for the next week, actually in the planner, if that makes sense. So I need to figure out what I'm going to use for this checklist, if I'm even using it. It appears that I'm not using it, so it might just go in the trash. And then I got this divider for extra sheets. Got like expense sheets, which I need to use so I can help track my purchases. I've got half sheet dot grid. Put that in there. And I've got regular dot grid and some dailies. It's getting tight on this side here. Let's see, my pocket with some stencils in it. Oh, leftover Juneteenth stuff. And the recycling. So, pocket, because this doesn't have pockets. Regularly used stencils and stickers. And then I don't really know if I need this because I haven't been reaching for them. But we're gonna put it in. It's been in there for a while. So there's this one empty, which I really have liked this cover because I was able to like just slip little things in there. Yeah, I like this one. I like the more flexible covers better, but like the one that's on my budget planner, it's more flexible. Yeah, there we go. Well, we're gonna see if we're gonna take any of this stuff out. But yeah, that's my planner. She's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. So that's that one, if that's where I want to go, or this one. We'll figure it out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.